Booking ferry tickets online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can book ferry tickets online. Now, booking a ferry ticket is totally depends upon in which country you're traveling or what are the ferry services that you are taking. So we, as an example, will take UK, and suppose we are in the UK, so you can take these kind of ferry tickets by just going to this website, which is ferries.co.uk. Now here you can do the return trip and one way as well. Now it totally depends upon you. You can search wherever you want to go. So suppose you want to travel this way, so you can click here and it will show you the dates. You have to select the date. Suppose you want to travel from 22nd December, 25 December. You have two adults. You can, if you have a pet, you can add it right here. And if I click on search, it will give me all the options that are available and that I can book. Now you have to add information according to you carefully. Now, as you guys can see, these are all the ferries that are going, and these are the timings, and it also the price is also written, so you can select whatever you want according to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.